again. Here is my chaga after I let it go more than 3 hours. It's actually been brewing for like 8 hours. And the more you brew it, I guess it gets more and more potent. I used to do it in the crock pot and let it just brew all day, and people say that it just gets more potent the longer you simmer it. But I think I'll let this be the end of it. My chaga was a little bit older. It's been sitting on the shelf for a little bit, so it may have lost some of its potency. It's gotten quite a bit darker, as you can see, but it's not as black as if it were like fresh chaga. So I figure 8 hours is good enough. I'll let that be. I'm actually not going to strain it. I'm going to actually just bottle it and let the chaga, the ground chaga, settle to the bottom, and then just drink what's on top of it to kind of increase the potency. And that's about it. I'm going to just go ahead and end my chaga brew for now and see how this goes. Alrighty, if you have any questions or comments, or you want to discuss your results with drinking chaga or your different ways you brew it, just leave them below. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.